What if you could leave it all behind and build a new world with your own two hands? This is the astonishing story of one man's audacious quest to forge a sanctuary in the wild. He ventured deep into the wilderness, armed with only tools and a transformative vision. What he creates will defy expectations. But the hidden reason ****** here is the most powerful secret of all. The work begins. Each piece of timber, chosen with purpose, is carried to the chosen site. The first foundation timbers are laid, a promise of the structure to come. With unwavering focus, he secures the base, the very bedrock of his new existence. The foundation stands complete, a testament to precision and planning. Now, the real challenge begins. Heavier logs are moved into place. Slowly, methodically, the walls begin to rise from the forest floor. Every beam is a victory, each nail a declaration of intent. The shape of a shelter emerges, carved from the heart of the woods. As the structure grows, so does the sense of accomplishment, transforming a clearing into a home. He surveys his work, a silent dialogue between the builder and his creation. The smaller, crucial details are now addressed, each one adding strength and character. This is a place built not just of wood, but of pure determination. Patience and skill are his most trusted tools as he nears the final stages of the frame. Attention turns to the roof, the final shield against the elements. The frame is complete, a skeleton of wood, waiting to be brought to life. The project's scale is revealed, a solitary ambition against the vast wilderness. He lifts the first section of the roof's frame, a moment of immense effort and significance. Leveraging his strength and ingenuity, he guides the massive timbers into place. The final trusses are secured, completing the silhouette of his future home. With the frame built, he begins the meticulous task of crafting the roof sheathing. In a quiet moment, accompanied by his loyal companion, he carves a smaller, essential piece. The roofing materials are laid out, a modern barrier for his traditional shelter. Piece by piece, the roof is sealed, locking the sanctuary in from the world above. Now, the focus shifts inward as he begins framing the openings that will let in the light. The walls are filled in, transforming the open frame into an enclosed space. The cabin is no longer just a structure, but a room with a view. Each plank closes the gap further, creating a true refuge. He measures and cuts with an artisan's care, crafting the future windows and doors. The outer walls are almost complete, a mosaic of natural wood grain. The cabin now feels solid, permanent, a new feature in this ancient forest. His movements are economical and precise, the result of countless hours of labor. He continues his work, driven by a vision only he can see. The rhythmic work continues, a meditation in wood and will. One final push to seal the exterior, protecting his creation. He installs the last of the wall planks, a significant milestone reached. The cabin stands nearly finished, a beautiful and sturdy home carved from the wilderness. Now, the interior is given life, with ceiling planks that will hold in the warmth. Simple, functional furniture begins to take shape, built from the forest's own resources. Lifting the heavy ceiling panels requires all of his remaining strength. He meticulously insulates the walls, preparing his sanctuary for the cold seasons ahead. Every gap must be filled, ensuring comfort and survival in this remote place. A modern membrane is added, a hidden layer of protection against moisture. A moment of reflection. He contemplates the space he has single-handedly created. The door frame is installed, a gateway between his inner sanctum and the outer world. From the outside, the cabin looks complete, perfectly at home in its wild surroundings. Finishing touches are added to the exterior, elevating the simple structure. Windows are carefully fitted, framing the living art of the forest outside. He begins crafting the door itself, the final piece of the puzzle. Another window is set, inviting the serene forest light inside. The door is hung, a symbol of completion and new beginnings. Adjustments are made, ensuring a perfect fit against the wilderness outside. The house is now sealed, secure, a fortress of solitude. The final details of the door are put in place, a masterpiece of rustic craftsmanship. Inside, he builds a bed, a place for rest after immense labor. A small table is constructed, ready for future meals and moments of peace. Shelves are mounted, turning the house into a functional home. The facade is completed, its warm wood tones glowing in the dappled sunlight. Inside, the floor is laid, the final interior surface of his new dwelling. The last exterior planks are nailed into place. The construction is complete. He walks the forest path, no longer just a builder, but a resident of this tranquil world. He gathers firewood, preparing for the cool nights ahead. With the cabin finished, he moves it to its final, perfect resting place. A natural fence is woven from branches, defining his homestead. The completed TP stands in harmony with the forest, a breathtaking sight. He tidies the surrounding grounds, an active care for his new home. A stone path is laid, adding a touch of rustic elegance. The path is completed, welcoming him to his own front door. He builds a small table for enjoying meals amidst the birdsong. The interior is made cozy and inviting, a warm refuge from the wild. The dream is now a reality, a beautiful, handcrafted home in the heart of nature. He prepares his first meal, a celebration of his incredible achievement. The fire crackles, a symbol of warmth, sustenance, and triumph. As night falls, the cabin glows with a warm light, a beacon of peace and solitude. The work is never truly done. He continues to improve his homestead. He prepares the earth for new life, planning for a self-sufficient future. He plants a tree, a commitment to the future of this land. Another project begins, a new structure on a solid foundation. The familiar rhythm of hammer on wood echoes through the trees once more. Each piece is carefully treated, built to last for generations. The dark stain provides a striking contrast against the forest's vibrant green. The new foundation is assembled, strong and perfectly level. Every element is meticulously prepared before being added to the whole. The platform takes shape, a stage for the next chapter of his vision. He prepares to insulate the floor, a crucial step for year-round comfort. The insulation is carefully packed, a testament to his thorough planning. The subfloor is laid, sealing the foundation and preparing for the walls. He returns to traditional methods, shaping wood with a simple knife. The fine art of wood carving is on display as he crafts a custom-fit joint. A new post is driven deep into the earth, anchoring the future structure. He shaves the wood with expert precision, each curl of the blade revealing the smooth grain beneath. Specialized tools are used to create strong, interlocking joints without nails. He splits wood with a practiced hand, creating perfect lumber from a raw log. The wood is shaped and smoothed, a process both demanding and meditative. Even the largest timbers are cut by hand, a show of respect for the material. His knife becomes an extension of his will, sculpting the wood with fluid grace. This is where craftsmanship transcends construction, becoming a form of art. The first upright post of a new frame is hammered into the foundation. He carries the next beam, the skeleton of a new building beginning to form. Lumber is cut to exact specifications, ensuring the integrity of the design. The prepared planks are stacked, an inventory of progress. The walls are now being assembled, plank by painstaking plank. The interior wall is clad, creating a clean, insulated space. He inspects his materials, selecting only the best pieces for the task. A small, precise hole is carved, a detail that will be crucial later. The window frames are installed, inviting light into the new space. The steady work of hand sawing continues, the soundtrack to his creation. The structure stands tall, another impressive addition to his homestead. Using a chisel, he carves a mortise joint, a mark of true woodworking mastery. A beautiful wooden railing is installed, adding both safety and style. Each connection is made strong and secure, built to endure the passing of seasons. The roof structure is assembled, the final major piece of the frame. He fastens the rafters, his movements confident and sure. The finished building is unveiled, a stunning two-story creation in the wilderness. The final roofing elements are put in place, providing shelter and shade. With every swing of the hammer, the structure becomes more complete. The project is complete, a perfect blend of rustic charm and expert construction. The pre-cut frame pieces are assembled, a complex puzzle of angles and beams. He raises another heavy wall section, his strength seemingly limitless. The distinctive sloping roof begins to take shape, piece by carefully placed piece. The sheathing for the roof is laid, creating a smooth, continuous surface. The final piece of the roof deck is fitted, a moment of satisfying completion. The finished roof deck is a beautiful sight, a canvas of clean lines and natural wood. He carefully cuts the roofing shingles, preparing for the final weatherproofing layer. The intricate pattern of the shingles will add texture and durability. The shingles are applied one by one, a methodical process that transforms the roof. The roof is now complete, its dark, textured surface a handsome crown. Using a draw knife, he shapes a log, crafting a rustic yet elegant railing. The handcrafted railing is installed, a unique touch that showcases his artistry. He continues to add the finishing touches, each one a reflection of his personal style. The railings are now complete, perfectly framing the cabin's entrance. He begins constructing the door frame, the final barrier to the outside world. The frame is fitted with expert precision, ensuring a tight, secure seal. On his workbench, he assembles the door, another piece of custom craftsmanship. The finished door is hung, completing the beautiful frame cabin. In the autumn woods, a new task begins, working with materials other than wood. A metal screen is fitted to a wooden frame, perhaps for a screened-in porch. Another craftsman measures the opening, a sign of collaboration in this solitary place. A fresh concrete foundation is poured, the start of yet another new beginning. Concrete is mixed by hand, a physically demanding but essential task. The surface of the wet concrete is smoothed, creating a perfect, level base. Measurements are carefully marked on timber, the blueprint for the next creation. Large, perfectly joined beams form the base of the new structure. A protective coating is applied, ensuring the wood will stand the test of time. The familiar sound of the handsaw returns, shaping new pieces for a new puzzle. The cut pieces are stacked, a growing collection of possibilities. The first part of the floor structure, is assembled with intricate joinery. The floorboards are painted black before being installed. A small roof section is shingled, a miniature version of his larger projects. A small wooden frame is carefully crafted, its purpose not yet revealed. A heavy wall panel is hoisted into place, requiring immense strength and balance. The raw power of the axe is used to hew a massive log. The chainsaw makes quick work of a log, demonstrating the blend of modern and traditional techniques. He expertly sections the log, harvesting the raw material for his next masterpiece. He moves the heavy, fresh-cut timber, the fuel for his creative fire. A specialized saw creates uniform wooden blocks, a process of incredible precision. A log is stripped and shaped with an axe, uncovering the clean wood beneath the bark. More wood is milled with a chainsaw, a constant supply for his endless ideas. He assembles a simple, sturdy wooden box, a functional piece of rustic art. Cement is mixed, a different kind of creation taking form. Using a knife and guide, he makes a precise cut, a testament to his attention to detail. A hollowed log is reinforced, its final purpose a compelling mystery. He carefully shapes the interior of the hollow log, honing it to perfection. The mysterious object is complete, a beautiful, handcrafted wooden well bucket. He chops firewood, a timeless ritual, the steady rhythm of a self-sufficient life. A hole is dug, and a large, blackened post is set deep within the earth. A very special thank you to the owner of the Lesnoy Craft for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.